The pair we have in focus for this week is CADCHF. Reason being that this pair has been on a massive decline for weeks now, and this particular week we are anticipating unemployment rate report from Canada and also ISM PMI. So first of all, I will take you through the analysis part and my focus on this pair. Already, before I proceed with the analysis, I will first of all make this hint or give you a tip on what you may not know. We know that trading is a game of price and not time frame. There's this mistake that most traders, both the advanced, the intermediate and beginners do. They think trading is something that have to do with time frames, like sticking to a particular time frame, that if price does not react in this time frame, I'm not going to make any trading decision also. No. Once price is offered at a particular point, it moves, irrespective of your time frame or irrespective of the time frame you are viewing it from. Once price gets to a particular level and it feels or it wants to sell, it will definitely sell off from that point. Now, let's not waste time. This is CADCHF, and for weeks now, we have been seeing a massive decline in this market. We can see how price has been crashing from 0.64786 to 0.63403. We can see this massive dump in price, and as if that was not enough, there was another massive crash in price. Now this simply shows that the market is in massive supply. It is dropping. That is the first insight that is giving us. Okay, by the way, I have two moving average here. The green one is 50 EMA, which is this particular one, and the red one that is thicker is the 200 EMA. Now I don't use these indicators to make a trading decision. Sorry, I don't use these indicators to make a trading decision. What I mean by using indicator to make a trading decision is like saying once price touches the 50 EMA, I sell. Once price touches the 200 EMA, I sell. No, it is not that. I only use it to know the flow of the market or see the direction of the market, in which in this particular pair now we can see that the 50 EMA is no longer holding price to the downside and is now heading towards the 200 EMA, which we will now consider what may likely happen next at this zone. Are we going to see the current bull trend go up, or are we going to see a massive drop from that level? Now we know our role as a trader in the market. Once the big boys are interested in selling, we sell alongside with them. Once they are interested in buying, we do what? We buy alongside with them. Now right now we have it that price is currently trading at 0.62686, which is right here. This is the current market price of this CADCHF, sorry. And one thing is very, very observant in this pair. If we observe closely, after we see the overflow to the downside, we see that in recent time price was holding at this level. You see how price was holding around this 0.61973. What I mean by holding is price was consolidating at that level. What that consolidation means is that the total supply and demand at that price level was equal. The net profit or net loss is zero. People were happy with that price. People were transacting around that price as stable market condition, and boom, in recent time we've seen that price has left that level or left that zone. We are now seeing some bull run, like bullish strength in the market. So that is a sign that sellers are not much in the market right now. Buyers have taken over. Now one thing we know is that once price starts to pull back, or once buyers starts to take charge of the market, we are not to make any sell decision until we see that sellers are back. We cannot sell even though we know that the trend is to the downside. in recent times, but we cannot make a sell decision until we see that sellers are back in this market. So for now, we don't have any active buy in the market, active sell in the market, sorry. If you observe closely, you can see, let me walk you through. You can see how sellers entered at this price. Were they able to make a new low? No. Sellers made an attempt again. Were they able to make a new low? No. What about this place? Were they able to make a new low? No. What about this last one? Were they able to make any difference in the market? No. That simply means that there is no active seller in this market right now, and you can't sell until you see that sellers are back. Don't make a mistake of saying this current price here is a previous resistance S&R, because if you trace this pair or this chart to the historic side, you may see that that level was once serving as a support, which is now broken. You'll be like, okay, yeah, since it is there, let's sell from the current market price. Price will dump from there. Or by you saying that price has approached the 200 EMA, since it has approached that level, let's open a sell order from here. No, it is not that. Trading is a game of price, which if price is not offered for you to sell, do not make a crazy decision of selling. You will easily get liquidated. You will donate to the big boys, or you contribute money to successful traders. So we don't do that. So as we're having a focus on looking for a sell opportunity, we cannot just sell without seeing a sign that the market is about to drop. Now we have IVPMI news coming from Canada today, being 7th August by 3 p.m. We also have unemployment rate coming up next tomorrow, being 9th. Okay, so now we know that the anticipation of this news can impact the market sentiment. Okay, it can impact the market sentiment. So we are still looking forward to seeing any sell opportunity once we see a sign that the price is getting ready to drop. So in today's trading session, what are we expecting the market to do? We have it that price is currently trading at this 0.62721. What do we do in the market? Well, for now, there is no active there is no active sell in this market. No, there is no active sell. But once we are able to see that sellers are back in this market, we are going to open a sell position. Once we see a shift in price or change in market structure, we can then do what? Sell. But we have it that the first price where we are monitoring is area of 0.63405, which is here. Here is our watch zone. Okay, we are looking out for that price to see what the market would likely do at that level. Now we see that there is a confirmed bull trend in recent time. So what are we going to see the market do at that level? Because price previously crashed to that zone. You can see here, price previously crashed to that zone. Okay, and since then for a while now, price has not gone back to that level. So as we've seen that buyers are beginning to push the market again, what are they likely to do at that level? Are they likely to give up at that level and a selling pressure starts from there? Or are we going to see a situation where price will continue to do what? Hover above that level in anticipation for these two major news events that is coming up? That is why we have our focus in CADCHF. So for now, we still have active buyers in the market. You as a store owner, if you are giving a discount looking for buyers and buyers eventually enter the market, would you continue to give a discount? No. The answer is no. What that simply means, if we apply it to chart is we cannot sell now that we have active buyers in the market until the buyers decide to give up before we can make a sell decision, which we are watching this price here, 0.63405 as a price which we are looking forward to seeing how the price will likely react. You see why I said that trading is not a game of time frame but price. If we switch to daily, we can see that zone is what people signify as previous support which will now turn resistance. But that doesn't mean if price gets to that level, you should do what? You should sell. No, never do that until you see a sign. The sign is once you see a selling pressure being exerted from that current price or from that market price, you can position yourself for a sale. Okay, so we are still looking forward to seeing how price would react at that level or at that price zone before we can make our sell decision. If we don't see a sign, we're not making any sell so long that buyers are still active in the market. All right, so I will keep you guys updated in the next video or once I make an entry for the sale if I see one around that price zone.